This is our biomass sawdust burner. And first, it includes three types. It is biomass burner and a screw conveyor and a fuel bin. First, let's check it. It is a well pot. From this, we can see the bears in the furnace. And this is the igniter, and this is as discharge hole. And this is increasing fire because it is something fun in it, and it is the air for the bear in the furnace. We can see this as discharge hole, and this is the burner mouth. From this, the gas leak out. It is the air brake and include refractory. It is a stable operation and long lifetime. This is water inlet and water outlet because it is for the water circulating system to cool the machine. And this is the wear pot and the feeding fuel pot. That's all.
香丘海吉 Machinery Equipment Company Limited is the first professional organization which is engaged in energy-saving technology development and related product development in China. The main products include Haiqi HQ biomass burner using domestic leading new type high temperature pyrolysis technology. Material requirement size is less 3 mm and moisture is less than 15%. Raw material sawdust, grass husk, powder, wood dust, bamboo powder, and attic. The internal furnace uses high aluminum refractory material, insulating castable material, anti-scoring and high temperature resistance. The outside uses water jacket cooling, long lifetime safety operation, high conversion efficiency. Thermal efficiency is generally up to 19 to 95%. Stable continuous operation, easy operation and maintenance. By high temperature pyrolysis, secondary combustion, exhaust gas treatment systems to prevent smoke secondary pollution completely.